Allie Mae, Mary, and Caroline all going down the hill on cardboard. And some other person. Mary, the wind is blowing so hard, just blew her jacket up. Caroline on her knees. Mary backwards. And Allie Mae trying to surf down the hill. Mary's being blown down with the wind out there. Look at those tree limbs. They're shaking worse than the camera is. Here's a good scene of the shaking leaves. And their friend just lost their cardboard. Whoever that is. Well, maybe not their friend, but their playmate, whoever that person is playing with them. We're at Ventura Park playing on the... Oh, and that grass they're sliding down? It's fake. That's fake grass. Oh, wow! Allie Mae made it down the hill, standing. Kind of crashed at the bottom, but that's okay. Oh, Allie Mae made it. Alright, the video's getting kind of blurry. Keeps trying to take video at the wrong place. Wow, Allie Mae's getting good taking that hill standing. Had to pause it. There were people walking right in front of us. Paused it right in time, too. Alright, Allie Mae's gonna go down on her butt. Let's see. Mary's going down without cardboard. So much cardboard out there, it's unbelievable. Allie Mae's trying to get moving on. Oh boy! That's so much fun. If it wasn't so cold out there, I'd probably go join them. Oh, Mary's gonna join someone in the swing. Alright, I'm done with this video. 4 minutes is long enough. Happy New Year, all!